Students, now we are going to solve that exercise 2A class 8 elective advanced maths, and question number 1 already been done in my last video, and now we are going to solve question number 2, simplify. There are two parts, A and B. In question number A only 4 sums are there, and in question number B these are the sums, total 12. Now we are going to solve one by one all the sums. Now let's have a look how to solve the sums of this question, simplify. Now look student, how to solve this one. The first question of 2a, first question, simplify. Now look, 16 to the power 1 by 4, we have to simplify this. It's very easy actually. 16 can be written 2 to the power 4 and whole to the power 1 by 4. Now if I remove the brackets, so this could be 2 to the power 4 into 1 by 4. Cancel 4 and 4. Answer is 2 only. This is the answer of the first question, 2a Roman 1. Now student, next one is 2a Roman 2. The question is 125. 125 whole to the power 2 by 3. Now look how to solve this one. 125 means 5 cube. 125 means 5 cube and 2 by 3. Now if it is 5 cube, so remove the bracket now. 5 cube into 2 by 3, so 3 and 3 cancel, so answer would be only 5 square. 5 square is 25. It is not like 5 to the 10, 5 into 5 25. This is the answer of 2a Roman 2. Now 1 Roman 3, a Roman 3 is the question is, now writing here Roman 3, that a Roman 3. Now here the question is 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 2. In some book that I have seen that there is 1 by 4 square, but it is not square, it is 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 2. So this can be written here. We can use one formula by, look here, if it is a to the power minus n, so we can use the formula here. Look, I am writing the formula here, a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n. So we can use this formula here, that a to the power minus n, a means 1 by 4, means 1 by 4 whole square. We can write this one. So in the next step, this could be 1 by 4 square is 16. So in the next step, divide by divide, which means 1 by divide by divide, so it will go on reciprocal. So 1 into 16 by 1 cancel, so answer is 16. This is the answer of 1 Roman 3. Next one is 1 Roman 4. 1 Roman 4, and the question is minus 1 to the power minus 1. Here also we can use the same formula, that that is minus. So if we use the same formula here, look, a to the power minus n, 1 by a to the power n. So here also we can use the same formula, minus would be here, and 1 by a to the power 1. Look, here is minus 2, so there is 2 only, because a to the power minus n is 1 by a to the power n, using the same formula here. Now one more thing is that minus, then 1 by minus 1, so minus plus, so answer is 1 only. This is the answer of 1 Roman 4. Next one is B Roman 1. So we'll write here that B Roman 1. Now look, B Roman 1, and the question is actually a to the power minus half whole to the power 4. So this can be written by using the formula, and formula is look, I am using the formula here, a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n. I am using this formula here. So there is a to the power n, which means 1 by a to the power n. I repeat again, a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n. So 1 by a to the power n and whole to the power 4. It is there already. Now look, now I am going to divide the formula, that a by b whole to the power n, that formula is there. Now I am using the formula here, that a by b whole to the power n. So this can be written a to the power n, b to the power n. Now using that formula here, that 1 to the power 4 and a to the power half whole to the power 4. Now look student, after that 1 to the power 4 is 1 obviously, and here if we remove the bracket from here, then a to the power half into 4, then cancellation, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So in the next step 1 by a square. This is the answer of b Roman 1. Now student, look the next one, b Roman 2. So b Roman 2 that I am writing here now, and for question is x to the power 5 by 6 and y to the power minus 2 by 3 and whole to the power 12. So here we can use the formula that ab whole to the power m. Look, this formula we can use here, ab whole to the power m. So this can be written a to the power m, b to the power m, using this formula here. Now look, this is as a whole a, this is as a whole b. So if I write here that x to the power 5 by 6 whole to the power 12, and using dot means into, then y to the power minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 12. Now look, if we remove the bracket from here, then x to the power 5 by 6 into 12, and here is dot means into, y to the power minus 2 by 3 into 12. Now look, 6 ones are 6 twos are 12, 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. So next step would be x to the power 5 twos are 10 dot y to the power, there is 4 twos are 8 minus 8. If we keep like this also okay, or in the next step if we use the formula will be also okay. So x to the power 10 and 1 by y to the power 8. So by using the formula that a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n, if we keep in this step also okay, or if I write like this also okay. So next step would be x to the power 10 and y to the power 8. This is the answer of b Roman 2. Next one, b Roman 3. So b Roman 3 I am writing here, and the question is a to the power minus half b to the power minus 3 whole to the power minus 1. I will use the formula here. The formula is actually a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n. This formula I will use here now. This is as a whole as a to the power minus n. So 1 by a to the power n, which means this and this. Now here also we can use the formula. Okay, one more thing we can do, that if we split up this one, because since this in multiply, so 1 by a to the power minus half into 1 by b to the power minus 3. Now in the next step, this is again 1 by, we can use this formula here also, a to the power minus n. So 1 by a to the power half, and here also 1 by b cube, using the same formula here. Now in the next step, that look here, 1 by, and this will go for the reciprocal, so a to the power half, and this is only b cube. So if we keep like this also okay, or we can do one thing, that a to the power half means root x, a to the power half means root a, so root a b cube. If we write like this also okay, correct. Or in the next step if I write a to the power half means root over a b cube, also correct. This is the answer of 1 Roman 3. Now student, look the next one, that Roman 4, that b Roman 4. Look the question now, b Roman 4. Here ninth root of a to the power 4 and b to the power 6, then whole thing cube. This is the question, whole thing cube. We have to solve this one now. So initially we'll just trying to break up the root first, then root over ninth root of, which means a to the power 4 into b to the power 6 whole cube. Then here we'll write 1 by 9, breaking up root first. Now removing the bracket, so a to the power 4 b to the power 6 whole cube into 1 by 9. Now 3 ones are 3, this is a 9. So next would be a to the power 4 dot b to the power 6. Dot means into, it is not the decimal point, dot means into. So a to the power 4 like this, b to the power 6. Now look here, we'll use the formula that ab whole to the power m, that a to the power m into b to the power m. That formula I will use here. Look, ab whole to the power m, which means a to the power m into b to the power m. Now look in the next step, so a to the power 4 by 3, and here b to the power 6 into 1 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 2s are 6. So next would be a to the power 4 by 3 and b square. This is the answer of b Roman 4. Now student, Roman 5, we're going to solve now Roman 5. Look here, that Roman 5 I'm writing here now. Roman 5 question is fifth root of a to the power minus 5 into b to the power 0 into fifth root of a to the power 7 into b cube, then whole to the power 5, whole to the power 5. Now look how to solve this one. Here initially we are trying to break up the root first, so a to the power minus 5 into b to the power 0 whole to the power 1 by 5 here. Now similarly here also a to the power 7 b cube and whole to the power 5, and this also 1 by 5. This is the breaking up of root first. Now b to the power 0 is 1. Actually we know the formula, a to the power 0 is 1, or in my last video I already said that anything to the power 0 is 1. So here also b to the power 0 is 1. I am writing 1 here now. So a to the power minus 5 whole to the power 1 by 5 into that 5 and 5 cancel, so remaining part would be a to the power 7 and b cube. Now look here, next one, 5 and 5 cancel again, so here would be a to the power minus 1 into a to the power 7 into b cube. Now next part, there is a to the power 7. So look, base, if bases are same, power should be added. We know the formula that base same, power should be added. So a to the power m into a to the power n, so a to the power m plus n. We know this formula. Since these all are in multiplication, so we can use the formula here, a to the power minus 1 plus 7 into b cube. So here answer a to the power 6 b cube. This is the answer of Roman 5. Or this portion can be solved like 1 by a into, okay, I'm just showing this portion here. This is one method obviously, as you can see, but after that look here, only this portion, a to the power minus 1 into a to the power 7 into b cube, which means this can be written the formula a to the power minus n. Formula is 1 by a to the power n, so 1 by a into a to the power 7 into b cube. Now cancelling this one, answer a to the power 6, so answer is a to the power 6 into b cube. Same only, if we use the formula here will be also okay, or if we go like this also okay. Now look student, the next one is Roman 6. If it is Roman 6, then the formula we'll use later on, but here 64, the question is 1 by minus 1 by 6. So here we can use the formula, like the formula is a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n. We can use the formula. So this formula I will use here now. 64 to the power 1 by 6, this is a and this is n, so 1 by a to the power n. Now look, 64 and that is 1 by 6. So what should I write here so that we can cancel 6 here? So if I write that 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 5 is 32 and 2 to the power 6 is 64. So 1 by 2 to the power 6 and 1 by 6. Now look in the next step. Here if I remove the bracket, so 2 to the power 6 into 1 by 6, cancel these two, answer is half. This is the answer of Roman 6. Students, now I will pull one line here, and I will now going to solve that Roman 7 using the same formula. I will solve Roman 7. Here is 625 whole to the power minus 3 by 4. So now here 625. Normally students, we know that 25 square is 625. 25 square is 625. So if I write here 5 to the power 4, which means this also 625, minus 3 by 4. So 4 and 4 cancel, so there could be 5 to the power minus 3 using the same formula. Here I have not I have not taken the formula. Now I am using the formula. Here 5 to the power means 1 by 5 cube, which means 1 by 125. Look student, here I have written 5 to the power 4. Why? Look here, 25 square is 625, and 25 means 5 square whole square, 2 to the 4, that's why I written here 5 to the power 4. This is the answer of Roman 7. Now we are going to solve that Roman 8. Now the question is 27 to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 2 by 3, using the same formula. Using this formula also I will use it now. Look, after that, first of all, here a to the power minus n means 1 by a to the power n, and this I will keep it same. Now in the next step I will use again that formula, 1 by 27 whole to the power 2 by 3. Now look here again, after that this can be written 1 by 27 whole to the power 2 by 3. Now look, 27 means 3 cube, so 1 by which means this will go on reciprocal, so here 27 whole to the power 2 by 3. Now 27 means 3 cube whole to the power 2 by 3. Now just go for the removing brackets, so 3 cube into 2 by 3, cancel these two, only 3 square is answer 9. This is the answer of Roman 8. Students, now going to solve that Roman 9. Now here look, 49 to the power half into, and the next part would be 16 by 9 whole to the power minus 3 by 2. We'll use the same formula again, but here 7 square into 1 by 2, 7 square is 49, but here by using the formula that or one thing we can do here, that 16 and 9 both are square numbers, so we can write 4 by 3 whole square and then into that power minus 3 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel here also 2 and 2 cancel, so there could be 7, and there is 4 by 3 whole to the power minus 3. Now we can use the formula, that 7 into, using that formula, look, this formula I will use now here, that a to the power minus n, 1 by a to the power n. So if I use the formula here, that 1 by a to the power n, so 7 into 1 by 4 cube is 64 and 3 cube is 27. Now this will go on reciprocal, so 7 into 27 by 64. So if I go for the multiplication, is 7 into 27 is look here, what is the answer, that 7 7 ja 49, 7 7 ja 49, and 49, then carry 4, 7 2 ja 14, 7 2 ja 14 and 4 18, 7 7 ja 49, carry 4, and 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 4 18, 189 by 64, and this is the answer of the question of Roman 9. Next, number 10 here. Now number 10. Now look how to solve this one, number 10. there is 1000, there is 1000, then 2 by 3. If it is 1000 then 2 by 3, 1000 can be written 10 cube, 10 cube and into 2 by 3, then 3 and 3 cancel, so answer is 10 square. If it is 10 square, then it's not like 10 to the 20, it is 10 into 10 means 100. This is the answer of number 10. Look student, next number 11, this is the question. So I have written 1. Why I have written 1 here? Because anything to the power 0 is 1, and this can be written by using the formula. One formula is that a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n. If I use that formula here, so this will go long, but if I use that formula here, look, a to the power n whole to the power m, which means a to the power mn. If I use this formula, this will be easy for this sum. So 5 to the power here, minus 5 and 2 by 5. If I cancel these two and go for the multiplication, minus minus become minus minus become plus, minus into minus plus, so 5 square, so 5 square is 25. This is the answer. If I use this formula, a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n, will get same answer here, but this will go long, so better to use this one. Now look, Roman 12, decimal 0 1 whole to the power 3 by 2. Now look how to solve this. Here first of all, there if I write that 1 by decimal point means 1, after decimal there is 2 digit, which means 100, and 3 by 2, this is the power. Now look, by using this formula, a by b whole to the power n equal to a to the power n, b to the power n. By using this formula, I can split up, so 3 by 2, and there is 100 to the power 3 by 2. Now look in the next step, 1 to the power anything means 1, and 100 means 10 square, and this by 3 by 2. Now 2 and 2 cancel, so 1 by 10 cube only. 1 by 10 cube means 1 by 1000. Now look, 1 by 1000 if I write like this also okay, no problem, but if I convert this portion into decimal will also be okay, no problem with that. If I keep here also okay, correct, you will get the mark, but if I just convert this value into decimal will also be okay. Means 1 means decimal point, after 1 3 0, and there is 1, which means 0 0 1. This is the answer of number 12. Students, here we are ending our question number 2. I have done all the sums of question number 2 a b. You just need to practice, so keep practicing.